When you're ready to produce sheets or print and publish your project, you can use a series of commands and create sheet sets and sheets. The first thing that we'll talk about, or command available, is the drafting templates. So on the drafting tab, you'll see you have drafting templates. When you select that, it's going to navigate and open up to where the stock Trimble drafting templates are stored. So these are some predefined templates that are set up that you can use and import in, modify, and then save your own VCL file to use on a future project. You can see here there's some, for plan sets, for columns, plan and profile sheets, cross-section sheets, so on and so forth. So you'll place and create those templates here. Basically, you're just going to pick one that you want to use. So if I wanted to create plan and profiles, I can select this one and left click and drag and drop it into my project plan view, and it will show up over in the project workspace. So you'll see here now I've got that project template available that I can use to generate my sheets for this particular project. So you can see here I'm listed here. You can see that this template has not only the main sheet set, but it also has plan sets for cross sections, profiles, plan sheets, and a profile view grid or plan view grid as well.